Your tape deck is not working. You hear that sound, and if this is not spinning, the belt could be off at the back. So and you can see the belt right here is off. The clip here you have to lift up. So this is the inside. You can see there's lots of dust everywhere, so I'll be cleaning. So here's the back side of it, and I was able to trace it out. So these are the left channel MOSFETs right here, the PNP and NPN. So that's the left channel, and then I was able to test this is the right channel at the bottom, these MOSFETs here. The right from the equalizer, you can test the signal using your oscilloscope. Right here's the right, and here's the left in. And then you can trace them down. This is the left, this is the right channel, and in the middle, this is where they actually connect to the speakers right here. So right in here, you have the left right speaker right here. You have the left B speaker, this pin here. You have the right B pin right here, and then you have the right A pin right here. And then right here, this is a relay switch, so we can test this relay. This is a 24-volt relay, and on the scene, if this relay works, right here you can test positive and negative, and you can hear the click. And I found an interesting thing. There is a A and B button. I found that both A and B channels are working, but you can only use one at a time. So either you have these speakers connected here, or you have speakers connected to the B channel, but you can't have it going on both. The relay is working, and both channels are working,